screen share. This is okay जी, आपको नजर आ रहा है सबको? यहाँ पे चेरी ऑर्चर्ड मैंने शेयर किया है।
यस मैम।
ओके जी। सो चलिए, अक्सा दोबारा आ रही है? अक्सा तो आई थी अभी। Okay जी, this is author is Anton Chekhov and the title of the play is Cherry Orchard and it was written in 1904 and the genre is
चाचू एक सेकेंड चाचू क्लास है। सॉरी मैम।
कोई बात नहीं, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, हम भी मजा करेंगे बाद में। अच्छा, सबसे पहले जो है वो कैरेक्टर्स आएंगे। दिस इज अ ट्रांसलेटेड वर्जन, क्योंकि ये जो लिखा गया था ये कौन सी लैंग्वेज में लिखा गया था?
रशियन
बिलोंग करता था रशियन लैंग्वेज में। सो दिस इज अ ट्रांसलेटेड वर्जन और इसमें जो है ट्रांसलेट किया गया है और ये डिफरेंट ट्रांसलेशंस आपको मिलेगी। जरूरी नहीं है कि आप यही लाइंस आपको पेपर में आ जाएं, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाइड भी हो सकती है ट्रांसलेशन जो आपको पेपर में आ जाए। तो इसलिए आपने जो है फोकस करना है कि डायलॉग्स हैं क्या। ठीक है। सबसे पहले जो है कैरेक्टर जो है मैडम रेवेंस्की है। ठीक है, लेबोव इनका निकनेम है। शी इज द ओनर ऑफ द चेरी ऑर्चर्ड and the second main character is Anya. Anya is her daughter and she is 17 years old. ठीक है, ये इसकी जो है अपनी बेटी है। and Varya, she is an adopted daughter and her age is 24. Gaiv जो है he's her brother and ये जो है लेबोव का ब्रदर है। लपाखिन जो है ये मेन कैरेक्टर है जो कि बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है लेबोव का। और जो है ही इज अ मर्चेंट यहाँ पे कहा लिख दिया है, लेकिन ही इज अ बिजनेसमैन जो हमने इसमें पढ़ा है, जो कि चेरी ऑर्चर्ड बाद में खरीदने की भी कोशिश करेगा। एंड ही वाज अ सर्फ इन द बिगिनिंग और उसके फोर फादर सब जो है वो सर्फ थे। और फिर उसके बाद ही इज द फर्स्ट वन हु वाज लाइक द पर्सन हु बिकेम द ऑनर ऑफ अ लैंड। अच्छा, ट्रॉफीमॉफ जो है, ट्रॉफीमॉफ इज अ स्टूडेंट, वो अभी तक पढ़ रहा है और सारे कह रहे हैं तुम बुढ़े हो गए हो, लेकिन ही इज स्टिल स्टडिंग। और फिर उसके बाद पिस्चिक है, पिस्चिक इज आल्सो लैंड ऑनर। शार्लट है, शार्लट जो है गवर्नेंस है, गवर्नेंस ये जाती है जी आनिया के साथ फ्रांस जाती है, पेरिस जाती है। क्यों जाती है? क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो 17 ईयर से कम एज के लोग होते हैं उनके साथ जो है वो कोई ना कोई जो है गवर्नेंस जानी होती है, यानी उनकी देखभाल के लिए या उनका ख्याल रखने के लिए। फिर है यिपकदोव जो है ये क्लर्क है, यहाँ पे स्टेट का क्लर्क है, क्योंकि ये सारी की सारी फैमिली जो है ये पेरिस चली गई थी और अब जो है पीछे से लुक आफ्टर करने के लिए एक क्लर्क इन्होंने रखा हुआ था। दुनियाशा जो है, दुनियाशा इज मेड। ठीक है, ये बड़ी फनी किस्म की है और शी इज ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू शो हरसेल्फ एज इफ शी इज अ लेडी और अपने आप को उसी तरह मेकअप करके और पाउडर लगा के और शी बिहेव्स लाइक दैट। First जो है, First in is 87 year old and he is also served, he is also a servant and he in fact represents and stands for old traditions, old values को ये stand करता है, ये represent करता है। फिर है जी याशा, याशा इज ऑल्सो यंग सर्वेंट, ये इनके साथ गया था पेरिस और ये वहां पे जाके अपनी लिमिट से बाहर निकल गया और अपने आप को जो है वो जेंटलमैन समझने लग पड़ा, क्योंकि वैसा लिबास पहनता है और बड़ा लेविशली स्पेंड करता है। और फिर उसके बाद जो है बाकी स्टेशन मास्टर्स, पोस्ट ऑफिस क्लर्क और विजिटर्स ये सारे आते हैं। सो इसमें 3 ग्रुप्स बन जाते हैं। एक जो है लेबोव की फैमिली है, फिर दूसरा ग्रुप जो है इनके फ्रेंड्स का है और तीसरा ग्रुप जो है वो सर्वेंट्स का है। और सर्वेंट्स के थ्रू जो है ज्यादा फन क्रिएट किया गया है या कॉमेडी क्रिएट की गई है। और जो है दिस एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस एट द स्टेट ऑफ मैडम रेनवेस्की। ठीक है, टंग ट्विस्टर। एक्ट 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। A room which has all, हमने शुरू से कर लिया क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे उस दिन प्रेजेंट नहीं थे, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा उनका भी हो जाएगा। लिंक हो जाएंगी चीजें और फिर इंशाल्लाह. A room which has always been called the nursery. एक कमरा जो है जिसको हमेशा नर्सरी कहा जाता है इधर. One of the doors leads into Anya's room. Dawn sun rises during the scene. और फिर उसके बाद May the cherry tree in flower, but it is cold and the garden with the frost of early morning, windows closed. ठीक है, ये जो है टाइम है. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो इसमें रूम है, दैट इज नर्सरी. नर्सरी इज द सिंबल ऑफ द चाइल्डहुड ऑफ मैडम लेबोव. लेबोव का जो है चाइल्डहुड को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम इट ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट्स a man's attachment with his past कह सकते हैं. एंड एट द सेम टाइम जो सेकंड चीज इसमें है वो है चेरी ऑर्चर्ड. ठीक है, चेरी ऑर्चर्ड का जिक्र किया गया है. बोथ दीज थिंग्स आर द इम्पोर्टेंट one in the play. Enter Dunyasha. Dunyasha is the maid with Kendall and Dupachen with a book in his hand. These are the two main characters who are waiting for the family to return. वो कहाँ गए हुए थे? पेरिस गए हुए थे. पेरिस से अब 5 साल बाद वापस आ रहे हैं. क्यों आ रहे हैं? क्योंकि वहां पे उन्होंने अपना जो बैंगलोर था वो भी उसने बेच दिया. सारे के सारे उस पे कर्जे बहुत ज्यादा चढ़ गए मैम लिपॉप पे. और अब जो है अपना कुछ ये चेरी ऑर्चर्ड भी उन्होंने मॉर्टगेज किया हुआ था. अब उसका कोई फैसला होना है, वो करने के लिए आ रहे हैं. और ये दुनियाशा जो है शी इज मेड, दैट्स व्हाई शी इज वरीड. और लुपाखिन जो है, लुपाखिन को चूंकि वो स्टेट खरीदना है इसलिए जो है वो बिजनेस माइंडेड है. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज ओवर देयर एंड ही इज एंशियसली वेटिंग फॉर द फैमिली हु इज कमिंग फ्रॉम पेरिस. चलें जी, लुपाखिन की लाइंस कौन पढ़ेगा? इसमें अब आप लोगों ने ही अपने अनम्यूट करना है और अपनी लाइंस पढ़नी है. यस गर्ल्स.
The trains in. Thank God. What's the time? What time is it?
So Lepakin is worried and he's anxiously waiting for the family. That's why whenever he hears any sound, कोई भी उसे आवाज आती है, he thinks that this is the sound of the train, because he is a man who is so much focused, and he is a man who is like क्या कह सकते हैं? He's so determined to change his status. He does not want to be a serf anymore. That's why he is desperately waiting for the family to return from Paris. But in the beginning, we don't know anything about his intention, about his background, but later on we'll get that. Okay, Dunyasha. Dunyasha.
Nearly too light already. She blows out the candle.
It's daylight already. Okay, Jilapachen. Jilapachen.
Train must have been 2 hours late. He yawns and stretches. Oh, I am a fool, idiot. I come here specially to go and meet them, and what do? I fall asleep, sitting up. I was going to the station. Why didn't you wake me?
So he is a man who is so much excited, and that's why he wanted even go to a railway station. He wanted to go there and he wanted to welcome them, because he's the man who is so ambitious to get that cherry orchard. That's why he's saying that why did he doze off? क्यों से नींद आ गई? And that's why he's feeling a bit annoyed as well, and he wants to see them as soon as they come there. Okay, Dunyasha.
I thought you had gone. She listens. Such I think can hear them.
अब उन्हें आवाज आ रही है. They can hear them that they're coming. Lepakin listens. आवाज सुनते.
No, there will be all the luggage, one thing and another.
जी पढ़े. A pause. लेपॉव ये लाइंस इसकी लेपाकिन की हैं.
Okay, ma'am. 5 years, it's going to be funny seeing her again. I wonder if she's changed. 5 women, well, she was straightforward, very easy to talk to. I remember once when I was a lad, it was when we had the shop. I must have been about 15. My nose was bleeding. My father had hit me in the face, drunk. Anyway, we had come up here for something or other. Very young she was then, very slender.
अच्छा, अब इसमें जो है these are the memories of Lupakhin. Lupakhin की जो memories है, in his memory, what does he think about Lipov? That she is a very splendid lady. Means she was not an ordinary woman. She was an extraordinary woman, and she was very kind-hearted. Underline कर सकते हैं ये words आप कि she was very kind-hearted, good-natured, and down to earth at the same time. And he remembers and he recalls the days when he was just 15-year-old and his father was very cruel and he used to beat him a lot. And once he beat him and his nose was bleeding, and what did the woman do? Lebov took him to the sink and she just consoled him. So from this, from the indirect, this is in fact the indirect introduction of the heroine of the play. प्ले की हीरोइन का इंट्रोडक्शन हमें मिला है, लेकिन इनडायरेक्ट मिला है. थ्रू माइनर कैरेक्टर्स वी कम टू नो अबाउट द मेन कैरेक्टर्स, राइट? सो she was slim and she was so kind, good natured, and she was a splendid woman.
She brought me right in here, right into the nursery, as it then was to the washstand to rinse the blood off. Don't cry, little peasant, she said. You will be all right for your wedding day. Pause, little peasant. True son of a peasant, and here I stand in a white waistcoat and yellow boots like a pig in the pastry shop. Done well for myself, still a peasant though, eh? Pick up the book that has fallen from his lap, flicks the pages. See this, don't understand a word of it, sent me to sleep. Pause.
So he recalls all those time when he was hurt and how the lady helped him and how she consoled him by saying that he would be fine by his wedding day. So he calls himself little peasant, peasant, peasant. There is repetition of this word. Why? Because he is so much occupied or engrossed by this word, because they were served slaves थे वो सारे. That's why he feels that he's like that, he's still that, and he is wearing that yellow shoe. Yellow jo hai, that is the symbol of wealth, that he wants to be wealthy again, he wants to be a rich man. And at the same time we know about him that he cannot read or write because they were not given the right to study, they were illiterate. जो सर्व थे उनको हक ही हासिल नहीं था ना पढ़ने का, और जब जमीन बेची जाती थी साथ में उन मज़ारों को भी बेच दिया जाता था. सो दे वर स्लेव्स, और जनरेशन टू जनरेशन वो स्लेव्स ही चले आ रहे थे, और उनको जो है जमीनों पे, प्रॉपर्टी पे कोई भी हक हासिल नहीं था और वो उसको हासिल कर ही नहीं सकते थे. सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट मैन हु कुड गेट दैट और बाय दैट प्लेस. ओके जी, दुनिया शाह.
The dogs have awake all right night. They know she's coming. They know.
How can dog know?
What's up with you?
I feel all faint. My hands are trembling.
So these are funny elements that she's
Too
bit
many
nervous.
fancy
She's trying to
ideas.
show that she's very nervous, and that's why she's showing that her hands are trembling and she's feeling nervous and she's fainting. All these things, these are just comic elements in the play. Lupakhin?
Yep.
Too many fancy ideas. That's your trouble. Done up like a lady. Your hair all. You are not a lady. What's the matter with you? Yapicodov enters carrying a bunch of flowers. His boots squeak. He drops the flowers.
So Lupakhin is a man who wants to live in his limits, and he knows what a person is. So Dunyasha, how she is all dressed up and hairdo उसने किया हुआ है, because she wants to be like ladylike and she just copies them and she wants to change her place, but she cannot. She's a maid and she will remain so. The other funny character, that is Yepikhdov, he enters there and he has come with a bouquet, एक nosegay वो लेकर आया है, and he is wearing jacket and all that. Okay, Yepikhdov picking up the nosegay, फ्लावर्स उठाता है जी. इसकी लाइंस किसने पढ़नी है?
The gardener sent these. He says they are for the dining room. He scrambles, picking up the flowers, giving them to Danjasha, who goes off with them.
अब देखिए वो एकदम सारे स्क्रैम्बल कर दिए, नीचे गिर गए सारे के सारे, और फिर उसके बाद इकट्ठे करके वो पकड़ाते हैं। इट्स फनी, उसकी सारी जो हरकतें, ही स्टम्बल्स ऑल द टाइम एंड ही सेज एवरी टाइम एवरीथिंग बैड हैपेंस टू हिम, Lupakin.
And bring me a drink.
Danyasha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Epikado.
The cherry trees covered in blossom and 3 degrees of frost this morning. Sighs. I don't think much of our climate. Jerry Molly Elective. You can't say it helps. What's more, the day before yesterday, I bought myself a new pair of boots, which, if you don't mind my saying, squeak so badly. I mean, what are you supposed to do? What sort of grease do you think?
वो अब जो है ना सेल्फ पिटी का शिकार, वो कहते हैं हर वक्त मेरे साथ ही बुरा होता है। देखो जरा, जूते मैंने खरीदे तो ये भी ची ची कर रहे हैं, मतलब स्क्वीक कर रहे हैं, and he falls all the time and he says everything every time something bad happens to him, and this is just in his luck, and the way he's claiming, और क्या कह सकते हैं, complaining, these are all very funny. So अब वो जाने लगेगा, फिर गिरेगा चेयर के साथ स्टम्बल होके। ओके लिपाकिन।
Look, shut up, will you?
Bigdov.
There is always something every day something goes wrong. I mean, I am not complaining about it. I don't let it get me down. I have a laugh about it. Ha ha. Danjasha enters with a drink for Lupakin. Yes, well, I will. He knocks over a chair at the sight of her. See, I mean, you have to. It's more than. It's not a coincidence, he goes.
अब देखे, मैंने अभी पहले ही बता दिया कि स्टम्बल कर जाता है और चेयर के साथ लड़खड़ा के गिर जाता है। So this is it. Okay, Bigdov. I'm going, stumbles against a chair which falls over there as though triumph. You see now, बड़ा खुश हो रहा है। देखो मैं जो बातें कर रहा था ना वही है, ऐसे ही हुआ है, ऐसे ही होता है मेरे साथ। He says like that. और वो बार बार शिकायत भी कर रहे हैं, एट द सेम टाइम वो कहते हैं मैं तो कुछ नहीं कहता, मैं तो कहते ही कुछ नहीं, बस मेरे साथ ऐसे हो जाता है। ओके जी, दुनियाशा। दुनियाशा's dialogue.
Still, he has asked me to marry him. Your mole
has proposed me. Now he has left the place and she says that he has proposed her. अब वो चला गया। अब ये इसका ये ख्याल है कि हर कोई इसको बहुत ही, वो अपनी वो क्या कहते हैं, ख्याली दुनिया में रहती है, या उसको ख्याली पुलाव नजर आते हैं कि everyone just likes her. So she, this is her point of view कि वो उसे पसंद करता है and he has proposed her. Okay, Lupakin.
Oh.
Oh. Dunyasha.
I don't know what to think. He's a nice, quiet man. Only when he says anything, you can't understand a word of it. It all sounds lovely.
मतलब he is the kind of person who is so foolish that you don't understand a word of him, but even then she is so much like it is said that love is blind. So it is proved over here that whatever he says no one understands, but even then she likes him.
Cultivated, only none of it makes some sense. I mean, I don't dislike him, and he's mad with passionate love for me, of course. It's just that he's unlucky. There isn't a day when something doesn't. You know what they call him? One foot in the co-pad.
So he always does a mistake. This was a word. This was the name given to him. Lupakin listening. He is all the time listening. He's focused. उनकी बातों पे ध्यान नहीं, उसका ध्यान बाहर है, वो सुन रहा है कि आने वाले हैं. So he's listening.
Listen, is that them?
Is that them? Dunyasha.
Oh, they are here. What's the matter with me? I have gone cold all over.
I have gone cold all over. Means she's so nervous and she's in fact acting. She's just posing. She's not nervous at all, but she's posing. And she wants to look cool. That's why. Okay, Lepakin.
Yes, it's them. Come on, I wonder if she will recognize me. It's 5 years.
5 साल हो गए जी अब उनकी मुलाकात को अब के उसे ख्याल है कि पता नहीं मुझे पहचानती भी है कि नहीं but she'll recognize him. Dunyasha in a flutter.
Oh, I feel faint. I feel faint. They go quickly. Sounds of arrival. Fears enters. He wears old-fashioned livery, leans on a stick, and mutters to himself the sound of voices.
Hmm. आगे.
Let's go this way. Loborg, Andrew enters, followed by Anya and Charlotte, who has a dog on a lead. All are dressed for traveling. Varya wears a coat and a headscarf. They are followed by Gay and Semyonov, Pistik, Lopakin, and then Yasha, who carries a bundle, an umbrella, and servant with luggage.
और ऐसे लग रहा है कोई एलीट क्लास के कोई बंदे आ रहे हैं इतने लंबे लंबे सफर से और जो है सर्वेंट्स आर बिहेविंग मोर लाइक देम कि वो दे आर लाइक some extraordinary or they are from high ups and high profile society. Okay, Anya.
Mama, remember?
The Bob?
With emotion. The nursery.
The nursery, joyfully through her tears. अब उसके आंखों से आंसू आ गए. Means she loves that place. She spent her childhood over there, and she has emotional attachment with the place. That's why she says the nursery. Varya. How cold it is. वारिया की लाइंस किसने पढ़नी है?
Oh, it's cold. My hands are numb. To Lobo, Andrew, we have left our rooms, Mama. Dear, the lavender and the white, just as they were.
Yes, Lebov.
The nursery, my dear darling room, she cries. I used to sleep here when I was little. I feel a child again. She kisses her brother, then Varya, then her brother again. And Varya looks just the same. My same little nun, Danyasha. It's Danyasha. She kisses Danyasha.
So Lebov, she loves the place because she spent her childhood over there and she has emotional attachment with the place and that's why the way she behaves as if she has become a child again. ऐसे जैसे बच्चा जो होता है ना वो अपनी छोटे छोटे खिलौने देख के खुश होता है. She is like that. It looks as if she is very innocent from her heart and she is pure and at the same time she loves the place so much and the way she kisses everyone means she's a loving personality. Okay, ji, Gaib.
2 hours late? How is it possible for a train to be 2 hours late? What a country.
Gile Shikwe. What a country. Okay, Charlotte. Pistik को क्या कहती है Charlotte?
Pistik pointing to her dog, he eats nuts.
देखे Charlotte कौन है? She's just a governess और help करने गई थी उसके साथ और अब जो है वो कहती है देखे डॉग है मेरा nuts खाता है. Means this is a big question mark. They even animal they eat nuts and the owner the lady she does not have enough money, she's under debts, इतने ज्यादा कर्जे उस पे चढ़ गए हैं that she has even mortgaged her estate and she has sold a villa and what the servants are doing, the servants are doing so lavishly and on useless things like they are giving nuts to the dog. Okay, Pischik wanderingly.
Fancy that. They all go out except Anya and Dunyasha.
Okay, ji, Dunyasha. Dunyasha.
We have been expecting you so long. Takes Anya's hat and coat.
Anya?
I could not sleep on the train. I have not slept for 4 whole nights. Oh, I am so frozen.
वो मतलब सफर करके आए हैं, अभी सफर की बातें होनी, these are not important lines. आगे चलते हैं इसको. दुनियाशा?
You went
Uh,
away in the snow.
You
You went away in the snow and the cold, and now look, oh, you lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, you are back, laughing and kissing Anya. I have been waiting and waiting. There is something to tell you. I can't keep it in another minute. I am going to burst.
Anya?
What is it this time?
Dunyasha?
It's Epic Dog, the clerk. He proposed just after Holy Week.
हाँ, अब वो कह रही है कि आप इसको भी बता रही है, ये पे खुदा ने मुझे प्रपोज कर दिया. So this is servant class. Their mentality is a bit different. So they are a bit into proposals and love triangles. Okay, Anya?
Here we go again. She arranges her hair. I have lost every single hairpin.
Okay. She's staggering from the exhaustion. Okay, Dunyasha?
I don't know what to do. He's madly in love with me.
Looks lovingly into her bedroom. My own room, my own windows. I'm home again. I feel as though I would never been away. Tomorrow I'll get up and run straight into the garden. Oh, I must sleep. I couldn't on the journey. I was so worried.
अब वो गई जी, मैं तो गई थी, मुझे लगा ही नहीं मैं गई थी. अब इसकी ये फीलिंग्स है. Okay, Dunyasha?
Trophy moves here.
Petria?
Dunyasha?
He's staying in the bathroom. He says he doesn't want to be in the way. I was going to wake him up, but Varia said, oh, don't wake him up. Varia enters keys at her waist.
अब आर्या जो है इसमें एक bunch of keys जो है बांधी हुई हैं अपनी waist पे. So this is also funny. Comic element है with your physical जो movement के साथ, gestures के साथ कर रहे. Okay, Varia? Varia की line पे.
Quick, Danyasha, make some coffee. Mama's asking for coffee.
Dunyasha?
I won't be long, she goes.
Varia?
Thank God you are back at last. She embraces Anya. My own precious beauty, you are home.
Anya?
What a time.
I can imagine.
Remember how cold it was in Holy Week? I thought I would die on that train. And stupid Charlotte, doing her stupid conjuring tricks all the way. She never stops talking. Why on earth did you make me take her?
अब देखिए शार्लेट करती क्या है. She always talking and she is always playing some tricks. And this is what she wants to get the attention of the people, and she wants some audience all the time. This type of character is this Charlotte. Varia?
Because you are 17, darling, you can't travel without a chaperone.
Yes. Anya?
When we got there, it was snowing. In Paris, my French is useless. Mama's on the 5th floor when I arrived. She is surrounded by Frenchman, people, women. I don't know. There's an old priest in the corner with his book. The whole place is reeking with cigarette smoke. Oh, and everything is so uncomfortable. I suddenly felt so sorry for Mama. I just put my hands on her face and held her, just couldn't let her go. And afterwards, she hugged and hugged and hugged me and cried.
So when Anya went over there to meet her mother, and what did she see? That there were lots of people around and they were all smoking, and she didn't like the place, and she didn't like the environment where the mother was living. Okay, Varia, through her tears.
Don't, I can't bear it.
Anya?
She's already sold the villa in Manton.
These are just a background information. कि पहले क्या हुआ था, why did they go there and why have they come back. So this from this like lines or dialogue we'll get this information.
She's already sold the villa in Manton. There's nothing left. I haven't occupied. There was hardly enough to get us back. Mama doesn't seem to understand why we sit down at the station restaurant. She orders the most expensive thing on the menu and then tips the waiters a double each. Charlotte's just as bad, and Yasha's been eating his way through full course dinners. You know, he's the wallet now.
अब देखें, Anya is worried and at the same time she's a sensitive daughter. That's why what has happened that after the her mother had to sell a villa. Why? Because she was under debt. Why? Because she is in the habit of spending lavishly on everything. Because she does not care for anything and she spends बहुत ज़्यादा खर्च करती है. And this is her कह सकते हैं एक weakness है. Means this is in her personality that she cannot hold herself back. And that's why the servants also took advantage of that thing. Even the servants, they ordered full course meal at some places at the station. Like Charlotte was just a servant, and other were also servant, but they ordered the full course meal, and she didn't say anything, and she was ready to spend on them. This is in fact a weakness in her character. Varia.
Yes, I have seen him, the rogue.
Tell me, how is everything? Was the interest paid?
With what?
अब वो इंटरेस्ट है, सूद उन पे चढ़ रहा है, जो उन्होंने कर्ज लिया है उस पे मॉर्टगेज पे स्टेट उन्होंने मॉर्टगेज पे दे दी है ये चेरी ऑर्चर्ड. अब जो है उनको मॉर्टगेज तो होता है ना एक सर्टेन टाइम के लिए होता है, और अब जो है उन पे सूद चढ़ रहा है एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू पे दैट.
Oh God, oh God.
Varia.
The estate's up for sale, August.
Underline it. August
No.
is very important. अब इसमें जो है future is more important. Future और ये है foreshadowing effects हैं कि foreshadow कर रहा है, ये forecast कर रहा है what is going to happen in August. The orchard would be sold. So foreshadowing जो है ये technique use की गई है.
No.
Lepakin peeps in at the door and moves like a cow. Yes.
Me. He goes.
Anji. Varia.
Shakes her fist. I will give him such a.
Embraces Varya. Has he proposed yet? Varya shakes her head. Look, why not have it out? You know, he loves you. What are you waiting for?
Varia. I believe that.
I don't think anything will come of it. He never takes the slightest notice of me. He is busy all the time. All it does is make me miserable listening to everyone talking about it. I hear you are getting married. When's the big day? There is nothing in it. It's all wish wash. Change of tone. You have got a new brooch. Is it a bee?
So Varia, she is in fact, she gets annoyed and she at the topic that means Lupakin is all the time worried, means he's all the time busy. Why he's busy? Because he wants to change his status. He wants to improve his lifestyle. He wants to be the owner and he wants to erase or wash or remove his status of serf, and he wants to be the owner. And that's why he's always focused on his target. And that's why Varya is complaining that he does not think about his marriage or anything like that. Even though all the people talk, but he does not take any interest. Now she changes the topic and she asks about the brooch. जो brooch उसने लगाया हुआ है, उसके बारे में पूछती है, how did she get? Anya.
Sad for Varya. Mama bought it for me. but her mood changes as she goes into her room and she talks happily like a child. You'll never guess. In Paris, I went up in a balloon.
Varia?
Oh, my love, my precious beauty, you are home. Danyasha returns and prepares the coffee. Varya stands by the door to Anya's room. You know, dearest, when I am here working about the house, you know what's on my mind. Just over and over. If only you could marry such nice fine man with lots and lots of money, I wouldn't have to worry then. I could just go away. I would be off on my own, first to a retreat, then Q, Moscow. I would walk to all the holy places, walk and walk and walk. Oh, what bliss!
ठीक.
Calls. I can hear the birds singing in the orchard. What time is it?
It's after 2 and you should be in bed, my love. She goes into Anya's room. Yasha enters with a rug and a small case.
Danyasha?
All right, to go through here.
Yasha,
Yasha, I wouldn't have recognized you.
अब देखिए
What's your
कितना
name?
दोनों सर्वेंट्स हैं और याशा कहते हैं मैंने तो तुम्हें पहचाना ही नहीं है. The way he is behaving means he has come from Paris and he is thinking himself as if he has become a gentleman. और उसने अपना status और lifestyle and everything he has changed and that's why he is behaving like that. He doesn't know Dunyasha.
It's me and Yasha. It's me and Yasha. You remember? Fyodor Kosodyov's daughter. I was only this high when you left.
Then Yasha.
Quite a little pumpkin. He looks around swiftly, then embraces her. She yells and drops her. So Yasha leaves.
Okay, Varia.
in doorway, what's going on?
Upset. I have broken a saucer.
Varia.
Oh, have your? Oh, have your? Never mind, it will bring us luck.
So say they're superstitious. So कहती कोई बात नहीं, saucer टूट भी गई है, so it will bring good luck to them. Okay, Anya, coming out of her room.
Enter. We ought to warn Mama that Petya's here.
Okay, Varia.
They were told not to wake him.
6 years, I can't believe it. Losing Papa and then my darling little brother. Oh, Grisha. All in a month. How could she bear it, that dear? Sweet little boy, drowned, 7 years old. No wonder he went away. I went to say, Mama, I understand. I want her to know. Paul, yes, it will remind her, seeing Petya, seeing his tutor. Fitz enters in a jacket and a white waistcoat.
अब जो है आनिया से हमें पता चलता है कि her father died. ठीक है, it was 6 years ago. 6 साल पहले उसके फादर की डेथ हुई थी. And the second information we get about the brother, that Grisha was her brother and he drowned in the river. River में जो है वो डूब गया था. And these were the two tragedies. Because of these tragedies, she left the place and she went to Paris just to get out of that tragic dilemma or situation. और जो उसमें जो है क्या कहते हैं ट्रेजेडी से गेट आउट करने के लिए उसने जो है वहां पे चली गई थी पेरिस में. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर देयर, वहां पे जो उसके साथ और भी कुछ हो जाता है. जी फेर्स आ गया. जी फेर्स कौन है? हु इज फेर्स?
Fusses over coffee pot. The mistress wants it in here. Put on his white gloves. Is it ready? To Dunyasha's turn. You. Where's the cream?
Oh Lord, she dashes off.
Good for nothing, mutters Overport. Been to Paris, have they? He used to go there, master. Horses, it was then. Trains, he laughs to himself.
Fierce, What are you laughing at?
She's just bringing it joyfully, no more waiting. She's home. I have hung on. Don't care if I die now. He wipes his eyes with joy. Enter Lobov and Drevena Gear, a pistic who wears a long Russian coat of fine cloth tight at the waist with loose Turkish trousers, and Lopakin Gear is making movements with his hands and body as if playing billiard.
मतलब वो सिर्फ एक्टिंग ही करता रहेगा और कुछ नहीं. He doesn't play in fact and he just gestures से वो play करते हैं, body gestures से. Lebov.
Laughing, how does it go? Let me try and remember. The yellow into the corner, then I double into the middle.
Zubani.
Screw short into the corner. Here we are. There was a time when we slept in here, brother and sister together, and now I am 51. Hard to believe.
It is hard to believe for her. अच्छा जी. Next.
Yes, time flies.
इधर तो लाइंस बिल्कुल ही फर्क हो गई हैं. आप इधर की टेक्स्ट देखी है मेरी वाली?
मैम हम अपने बुक वाली पढ़ रहे हैं.
नहीं, इसमें बहुत फर्क है. मतलब आप इसको भी मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी, आप इसको भी देखिएगा ताकि जो है अगर सपोज किसी ने यहाँ से टेक्स्ट ले ली हुई तो फिर आप लोग कहेंगे ये लाइंस कहाँ से आ गई. तो थोड़ा सा फर्क के साथ जो है ये ट्रांसलेशन है. ठीक है, इतना ही काफी आज के लिए. तो
ओके मैम,
कल पढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह. ठीक है. और मुझे वो थोड़ा सा क्योंकि मैंने उसी टाइम पे 2 मीटिंग्स बना ली हुई थी, मुझे भी नहीं पता था तो कुछ काफी गड़बड़ हो गई. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप लोगों ने मेरी मदद कर दी और फिर ये मीटिंग ज्वाइन होगी, नहीं तो बड़ी गड़बड़ हो जानी थी. ओके जी, हैव अ गुड डे. सी यू टुमारो.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
Hafiz.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू जी. अल्लाह हाफिज.